All right, guys. So this first video about Screencastify, and this is going to be more about using the actual software um, than actually, the things you can do with it, which we'll cover that later. But um, first off, Screencastify is a tool that our district has purchased for us this year. So if you want to get familiar with it, it will be something you'll probably be using um, a lot. So if you haven't got it installed on your laptop or Chromebook or anything, it is an extension that will be pushed out to teachers. When you sign in, it should just be there. But if something happens that you don't have it, you can just search for Screencastify extension, and it's going to pop up on your results, and you can add it that way. You just open up the result, and you would just put add to Chrome instead of remove, since I've already got it installed. Once you have that, though, when you click on this little icon right here, let me see if I can get the mouse kind of lit up for you. Excuse me, this is a different program than Screencastify itself. So once you have that icon, though, it's an arrow pointing to the right with a camera in it. Once you have that, you're going to have a sign-in option. Okay, and then first time, if you're using Screencastify the first time, you're going to be asked to let it allow your Google Drive, Google account and all that stuff. So that's fine. That's completely fine to do it. Right now, we are still under the 5-minute limit per video. This is why you're probably seeing kind of quick talking during some of these videos, and also kind of uh, kind of a rush in the ending sometimes when I do these videos. But we are under 5-minute limit per video. But that will be gone once the paid version starts. Here, you got your microphone option. Just let it be selected. You don't have to select anything unless you are using a separate mic. Also, you have the webcam. You can turn that on, and the students will be able to see you like in a little square down here to the side if you want them to see your face. And you can honestly just do webcam only if you're just going over something like an I can statement or whatever. You can just do it all right there on webcam, and you can just show one particular tab instead of your whole desktop. Usually I choose desktop just because I want to be able to switch back and forth sometimes. All right, that's just something I do, but again, this is your preferences. But once you're ready to record, and please note that you may see a little pop-up windows. Make sure you say allow, because all it's asking you to do is allow access to the microphone and access to the webcam. So that's completely fine. This tool is proven to be trustworthy, so you're definitely good there. So once you're ready to record, you just click record. This is going to pop up where it says share your screen. This is a Google window here. This Google Chrome window. It doesn't have anything to do with Screencastify. So you can click the entire screen. It's got this little option here, this little tab. You have to click this little square here. Once you do, share will light up. If you don't click that, it's not going to be lit up. It's going to be grayed out. So make sure you click that and then click share. You're going to see the little countdown, and basically it's going to let you start recording. So once you're recording, whatever you do on your screen is going to be seen in the video. Okay, so let's say that I have a document that I want to cover with my class. I can read this to my class right here, or I can show them what I want completed on the document. Anything like that, I can show them everything. Whatever I'm doing on my screen right now is exactly what's being recorded on Castify. I'm going to stop that recording now, and I'm going to show you how it works. Once you're finished, you will have this new tab pop up. As you can see over here, it's automatically uploading to Google Drive. You can unmute it. Whatever you do on your screen is going to be seen. I hate my voice on video. So as you can see, though, what we were doing on the screen is showing up here on our Screencastify video that we just made, and whatever we're saying here is getting recorded as well. So this automatically, like I said, it automatically uploads to Google Drive. It makes you a Google Drive folder, conveniently called Screencastify. So you'll be able to find all your videos, okay, that you've made with Screencastify. A couple other things. You can publish it to YouTube if you have a YouTube channel that you're linking your class to by chance. You can also share it directly to Google Classroom. Now, if you know that you're ready to use this video that you just created and you want it posted on Google Classroom, you can click on share, and you can, when you come to Google Classroom, it'll bring this page up, and it's going to let you choose what class you want it to. I'll choose my training class here. We're going to just say it's a material because it's a video. And as you can see, it brings up a familiar screen if you're familiar with Google Classroom. There's my video. It's not ready to be watched yet because it's processing, just because we just made it. But I can click post. And now on my Google Classroom, I'm going to go straight to it from the view here. On my Google Classroom, right here into the stream, even under classwork. Okay, I've got both of those good to go. Another thing too that I wanted to point out, let that pull up there. I'm going to close it now. I wanted to point this out too is when you're at this screen, if you're sharing directly to Google Classroom, or honestly even just letting it save to Google Drive to use later, change the name of it because you're going to have this untitled video that may not make sense. So all these options are available with the free version of Screencastify, but some of the options are kind of locked out until we get the full version. Okay, so just keep checking back for more videos once we have the full version unlocked, and we'll be able to assist you with that. Thanks for watching, guys.